Hello everybody, I'm Oscar Chamat. I just learned how to use Google to help you improve your pronunciations of some words. So I'm going to show you how. For example, you want to learn how to pronounce mouse in English. So you put in Google how to pronounce mouse in English. And it appears this little tool. I searched a little on YouTube, and this tool is called Pronto. I'm going to let you a video of the girl that helped develop this in the description. She shows the tool in more depth. So how do you use this tool? Here you
Mouse,
hear the
mouse,
pronunciation, and you can see the the face
mouse,
pronunciation. You can say go slower.
mouse,
In here you practice. For example, mouth. See, I mispronounced uh, the last syllable, and it shows me. So you can start
mouse,
hearing
mouse,
again, and when you are sure, and you just practice, you say mouse. Good job. Okay, for this does not work with every word. For example, how to pronounce mouth in English doesn't work. Doesn't show me the tool Pronto. So you go to Google Drive. Google Drive. Go to Drive. You say New Google Doc. Okay. We're going to pronounce mouth now and voice typing. Mouth. Okay, that's correct. Mouse. And you can do that with every word. And if it shows you something that is not what you are saying, you know it's not does not show you the pronunciation as this with the movement of the mouth,
mouse.
but it's still a good tool. Okay, that's all I have for today. So thank you for watching my video. If you want to see me practicing English, just subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.